Hey guys, this is immigration lawyer Michael Ashoori here, and today we are going to be doing a quick B1 visa training. So first and foremost, let's get started with what is a B1 visa. Basically, a B1 visa is a non-immigrant visa which allows someone to come to the United States to conduct certain business activities. The B1 allows someone to visit the US for a short period of time. Typically, it's granted for 6 months or less. And the B1 does not allow you to work in the United States. So what are the requirements to get a B1 visa? First, you must have a valid reason for visiting the US. So the purpose of your trip to the US should be to engage in lawful business activities. One example of such an activity would be to negotiate a contract, to consult with some business associates, or to attend a conference or seminar. Those are some examples of permissible activities on a B1 visa. What's not allowed on a B1 visa is for you to work in the United States. So again, it's very important to note that. Okay, so the second requirement is that you must prove that you have non-immigrant intent. So basically, this is a two-part assessment, so to speak. First, you have to show that you have a residence in a foreign country. And secondly, you have to show that you have strong ties to that residence. So what are some examples of strong ties to your foreign residence? Evidence that you have a lease, or evidence that you own property in your foreign country, or evidence that you pay taxes in your foreign country, that you own a business in your foreign country, utility bills addressed to you in a foreign country, a cell phone bill, gym membership, evidence that you have family in your foreign country is also very strong, like a spouse and children that are currently in the foreign country. Those are all very helpful to show strong ties to your foreign residence, and it helps to overcome a presumption that you're coming to the United States to stay there permanently. Next requirement we're going to discuss is that your trip to the US must have a specific duration of time. So how would you prove this? So let's say that you are here to attend, you're seeking a B1 visa to attend a conference, and the conference is from July 1st to July 7th. You would show evidence of your invitation or ticket to attend that conference with the dates, and you could also show a return flight that's already booked to be leaving at the end of the conference. So that's the third requirement. The next requirement is that you must have sufficient funds to cover your expenses for your visit in the United States. So if your stated reason for being in the United States is for 7 days to attend a conference, you must show that you have sufficient funds to cover that 7-day stay. To show sufficient funds, you can have bank statements, and you can also have pay stubs to show your rate of pay, perhaps for your foreign employer. So those are kind of like some general points about the B1 visa. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and give me an email at michael@ashurilaw.com. Thanks for tuning in.